Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's go. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter Z. Z is for gorilla. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for house. Now I am drawing letter I. I is for ice cream. Now I am drawing letter J. J is for jellyfish. Now I am drawing letter K. K is for cat. Now I am drawing letter L. L is for lion. Now I am drawing letter M. M is for mango. Now I am drawing letter N. N is for nest. Now I am drawing letter U. O is for orange. Now I am drawing letter P. P is for potato. Now I am drawing letter Q. Q is for queen. Now I am drawing letter R. R is for rabbit. Now I am drawing letter S. S is for sheep. Now I am drawing letter T. T is for tiger. Now I am drawing letter U. U is for umbrella. Now I am drawing letter V. V is for vegetable. Now I am drawing letter W. W is for watermelon. Now I am drawing letter X. X is for X-ray. Now I am drawing letter Y. Y is for young. Now I am drawing letter Z. Z is for zebra. Bye bye kids. Please subscribe this channel and watch the videos. Bye kids.